Hello guys, welcome back again to another video. If you're new on my channel, hi, my name is Bukola. You're welcome. I'm personally welcoming you here. So you guys, my last two videos, I noticed you guys were dropping comment like, oh, do oils and butter and all of that. And I'm going to be doing the oil today, and because I just got back and I noticed that there's no even Harmattan. Like, this is 10 a.m. and I'm sweating. Like, I am literally sweating. You guys want it, so I'll be doing the video today, and I hope you like, I hope you share with your friends as well. Don't be selfish, because if I'm being selfish as well, I am not going to be sharing with you. And you guys, what I'm using is just 1 2 3 4 5. I'm just using 5 ingredients, and it's not much. It's basically not much. I am not going to be writing it in the description box, because I noticed that once there is this thing in the description box, you guys don't watch video, you just screenshot and go, and it affects the video, it affects the performance of the video. So let's just work together. The ingredients is going to be in the video, so if you want it, then you can watch and write down the ingredients yourself, and yeah, we can work together like that. So let's move straight into today's video.
Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Only time will tell. Why do you keep telling me nothing? But I know all your flaws, at least they say something. Still I try to connect with you through your eyes. Your eyes. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. I still want all of you, and I know all your colors. And I guess cause of that I can think of no others. Yeah, I need you to breathe. Without you I'm lost. I'm lost, yeah. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. Ooh. Only time will tell. Ooh. Tell. On your mind, I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. Ooh. Only time will tell. Ooh. Tell. Ooh.
So this is the actual color of the oil. This is what it looks like. And I purposely did not want to increase the brightness while filming this part because I want you guys to see what the actual color looks like. So this is what it looks like. And to the essential oils I added, they are just for, like, I just added the essential oil for it to smell good or for it to smell nice. So it's not a must for you to use this type of essential oil. If there's any essential oil that you have been working with and you like it or you love it, then they can pass as well. You can also add them to it. But this is the one I use for myself. This is what I use in my soap as well. I just love it. Smells, see, the combination of this orange oil and this green tea oil, it smells so nice, like so nice. So that's why I use that. So you guys, so that is how you can make this oil, and it is so effective. It is not a bleaching oil. It is just going to make your skin glow and look very, very nice. And during this Harmattan period, your skin is not going to feel dry. Basically, it is not going to feel dry. And the reason why I particularly love to use the green tea essential oil is because of the fact that green tea has a powerful antioxidant and it helps with sun damage. So that's why I love to work with this green tea essential oil. In fact, I've been looking for another one because this is the only one I have, but to get another one before this one even packed off. So, but that is the reason why I use green tea and orange essential oil. So it is not a must for you to use green tea and orange essential oil. If you have anyone that works for you, then it is fine. It's very fine. And this particular oil can be used at night. It separates. That's one thing I want you to know. It separates. So when you want to use it, make sure you shake it well before you use it. And it can be used for the face, but I'm not going to advise you to use it on the face if you know you're exposing yourself to too much sun. I wouldn't want you to burn your skin. I want you to keep your skin safe. So if you want to like use it, I'm not going to advise you to use it in the morning, as if you decide to use it on your face. But it is a very safe oil. As you can see, it doesn't contain any powerful things that is going to damage your skin, and that's why I decided to share. You make this like that and it's fine. You don't need to start adding any anti-screen. No, you do not need that, and it is very simple, and I think everybody can do this. So thank you guys so much for watching my video to this particular point. Thank you so much for supporting. I'm already sweating. You guys told me there's a Harmattan. I'm already sweating. Thank you guys so much. Please subscribe, please like, share with your friends. Don't be selfish. Please don't be selfish. Share with your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want.